In this video, we'll show you how to create a fancy gate in ArchiCAD. So the default gates can be found in door tool, but if you check the gates, if you go to gates, there are no gates here. So you might need to create some gate which is realistic to what you need actually to build on site. So I'll show you how to create a fancy gate in ArchiCAD. We will create this gate using line tool. So I'll go to documents and activate line tool. I will draw a line just like that. Change this line the color to black. Then I will drag, move, multiply. I want to spread, let me say 200 millimeters. Let's see. I want how many copies? I want 11 copies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11. Up to there. Okay, my gate is only, let me see, that distance. So I will need to inject parameters so that every time I use the line, it will be the same black color. My gate has a height of about, let's say, 2.5 meters. So drag a copy. About there, then I can trim those parts. Holding control. I'll move this, drag a copy about 2.5, and then again move, drag a copy about 133, move, drag a copy about 269. So these are 11. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. So I'm 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Up to here, I want to activate my port arc. Then I will pick from this point, that point, so we have that center line there. So I can center is there. I need to find the radius of that particular arc touching the 2 points. Okay, I'll just let me draw it like that. Then move that just like that up to that point. Make sure the color is black. Another arc or circle from this point and that point. If I can find the radius, that is the center of that line. Okay, so I'm just going to draw from there. And I can match properties, inject property, then this make sure this selected curve edge at that point. Okay, so I will need to delete those. Then I will offset all these lines, holding shift to select all these by 25. Move, drag a copy, let's say 25 millimeters, enter. Then for this line, I will offset by 50, drag a copy, 50, enter. Then I can activate the spline tool. Go to documents, more, spline. Let me just use line. And I'll activate circle. that point and that point. Okay, and this point, another point. Just use spline tool. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Um, I change the color to black. Then I want to move by mirror a copy. If hold shift, make sure even this one is selected. Move by mirror a copy. Or we can scale this. Scale. Okay. That point. That point. And then move, dragging. I'll move this one. Yeah. And select those. Then I will move. I want to scale. Move, dragging. I want to activate line tool. Holding control to trim those parts. Move by dragging. And I'll move by dragging. That point. And trim again. Those. holding Control in your keyboard. Okay. Then I can copy this one, all of that, move, drag multiple copies from that point, then holding Control can trim all this. Okay. Can hold Control and trim all this. Okay, so I'll pick a line from here and select that line, holding Shift, select both, and then intersect. Then intersect. I'll move this one, move, drag a copy by from here, let's say 200. Move, drag, copy, 25. Holding Shift. Okay, so I have to escape. Move by drag a copy, holding Shift. From there, holding Shift, and escape. Move, drag a copy, 25, enter. Move, drag a copy from here, about holding shift 350. Again, holding shift, move, drag a copy 25. And select all those, and I will trim, holding control to cut this part. Okay, I will undo that. Intention is to cut that part. Then can trim those, holding control in my keyboard. Okay, undo that again. Want to cut that part. Make sure you're holding control, then click this river part you need to cut. So as simple as that. Okay, I will undo that. You have to be careful. So okay, so now my next thing is to I'll use the spline tool. the spline moving that way, that way. Mm. And I'll use a line up to that point. Holding shift, change the color to black, move by mirror a copy, move by mirror a copy again, this one can just be dragged all that way, holding shift, then move, and this one I'll move it up there. Okay, I'll do the same thing here using the spline tool. Okay, I will do that. Let me use I can use arc instead, so let me change to more. Let's go to arc, then go back to spline, documents, more, spline. Okay, from there then cut this portion. Move by dragging that point. Change the color to black. Then move by mirror a copy. Cancel. Move by mirror a copy. Again, move by mirror. Now, this time again, move from that point. Move. Activate document line from there. There. Now I'll select all of that. Right click. I can go to layer, then go to edit, grouping, group. Edit, grouping, group. So I'll pick that, then move, drag multiple copies from there, there, there. Okay, so let me escape first. Move, drag multiple copies. I want to drag from that midpoint, that midpoint, that midpoint, midpoint. Cancel. Now, yeah, we can. Select this, edit. I want to go to group and group. Want to move this node to there. Move that node there. And this one, want to just move that node there. Okay. Now select, and again, I'm going to group, edit, grouping, group, move, drag multiple copies, that midpoint, edit, again grouping, ungroup. I want to move by dragging. Move that point. Edit, grouping, group. So again, I will move, drag multiple copies. So I will pick design, slab. I'll go to paint. Paint ivory black. My slab is so I want to use magic wand, holding space. I want to use slab, not slab edge. So sorry for that. Then I will change settings. Then change this one to paint ivory black. I'll use this slab. I'll use 50. Okay. Then holding space. Again, activate slab, holding space to cut this part using magic wand. Okay. Okay. So I'll activate beam. Change this one to iron. I'll change the beam. This one to, let's say 25. Okay, then I can change this beam. Change this one to paint ivory black. We're going to use magic wand. So holding space. So let me undo undo that. So I'll go and activate slab again, holding that, and I'm deleting those parts now. Holding space. And make sure the slab is activated so that you can be able to remove unwanted parts using magic wand when you hold the space and the space button in your keyboard. Okay, let's see the 3D. I'll select all those, and this one will be 25, and this one will be 0. Okay, now I'll go back to this one. Um, move, drag a copy from here, 200. Then select this, hold Control to cut those portions. Activate slab. Then holding space. Let's do 3D. Okay. Now this gate, I will just move, mirror a copy. Okay. Now there is our gate. So let's do the 3D. Okay. So now I will copy that. I will copy that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this one. And then move it. Move, drag, copy. Just one that down, and background. Move, drag a copy. Move, drag, till that point. Okay, then move, drag a copy, select 3D. Okay, now I will again activate. I want to activate my slab. Change this slab to, let's say, 10. Then using again the magic wand, and so these slabs here, let me undo that. I'll change the color to paint pale blue. Again, activate slab, paint pale blue, holding space, that point, and then I want to delete this slab here. Holding space, make sure slab is checked, then can remove that one. Then I will draw my wall. I want to save this gate, so I will select everything. File, libraries, save as door, and new gate. Zero one, then save. Okay, then I will draw my wall. Then I'll go to doors. So we're going to wait for this to finish. It's loading. I can pause and wait for. So here is our gate. If I go to 3D, we are going to be able to see our gate. So I can press escape and try to stop whatever ArchiCAD is doing, because I'll just pause, wait for this to finish. Okay. For that, now we can go to 3D. It's updating. Let's see what we have just created. We're going to see our gate. It depends. Now you can see our fancy gate. This is our gate. So I can hold shift to try and rotate. Here's our gate. Now we can save, go to file. Let me select these again. File, library, save as do. Okay, I will save in a folder or file in selected folder. New folder, get 01, create. So I want to file, maybe file in selected folder. I'll go to desktop, save it in, we look for a folder which is easier to find. Let me save it in Agape, new door, or new gate. New gate 1 and save. So if I go maybe to a new drawing, let me open this drawing. Just save changes. Gate ArchiCAD. So if I go to this 3D, maybe we can be able to insert our gate. Instead of using this type of gate, then delete it and activate the I want to load other objects. Desktop, I want to load from Agape. Let me go to File, File, Library, New Object. Um, Library Manager. I want to add from desktop. I saved it in Agape. We go to Doors. So let me go back to that because maybe we want to use it in another drawing. I will need to save it as a door leaf, new door leaf. Okay, I will go to ground floor. I want to save it as a custom door leaf so that I can use it in another drawing instead of having to create that fancy gate each and every time we are doing a new drawing. So I don't know why this ArchiCAD is hanging. But hope this one is not going to take long. Try to press escape. Okay, I'll select this and then File, Library, Save As. I want to save as dolly new gate 01. Then save 03 and save. Okay, now let's go to a new drawing. Open. Let's open this and just save. I saved just new gate 03, so we are going to use that door leaf. So I'll go to this and change this gate. Press escape. On properties, the selection settings, custom door leaf. And I'll go to door leaf. So let's go to so we'll need to import that. We need to import that drawing every time before we can be able to use, or just create that door leaf here, because I can't use it from the other drawing. So thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video.